First, I'm going to go over some basic vocab. First thing is area. Area is the measurement of the inside of a shape. So that means the amount of space that the inside of a shape is going to take up will be the area, and that's what we will be learning to measure today. And multiplication, just to review, is m number of units and n number of groups equals your answer, or x. So that's basically saying that there are 3 units in 4 groups, which equals 12 total units. And that's just a basic rundown of the vocab that we'll be getting into today. And let's get started. This rectangle is a 4x2. In order to do area of a rectangle, the area of the rectangle formula is A equals B times H. This is the base and the height. The 4 here equals the base, and the 2 equals the height. So replace that. It becomes 4 times 2, and this equals 8. So A equals 8. So the area of this 2x4 is 8. Now to understand why this is, you can draw the little squares in there to understand. So it's 4 across, so that means we got 1, 2, 3. Oh. So now we have 4 rows. And we have just 2 columns, so you split them right down the middle. And that's what you get. And if you count them up, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, the area matches, and that would be your area. Next, we have a triangle. The area of a triangle is base equals, or area equals 1/2 BH. So, in order to get this, you must find the base and the height of this triangle. Base is easy, base is the same, so the bottom here, and the bottom is 3. And the height of a triangle, you must finish the square to figure out the height. This is also called altitude, and the height is 2. Now if we fill the formula in, we would get A equals 1/2 6. The reason it's 1/2 is because theoretically this triangle is half of a square or a rectangle that is made with the other identical triangle as this one. And that's why we have to take half of the area, which A equals 3. Because when you do this, if you just do the base and height, you're finding the area for the whole square. That looks like this. So the whole thing. And when you do this out here, you have 1, there's your 3 rows, break it down. Then you got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as you can see. But as you can see, that's not what we're trying to get the area of. We're trying to get the area of the triangle in the middle. So that's why we do half, because it has to be half that. As we're saying that there's 2 of the identical triangles that make up that whole rectangular square. Biggest thing to understand about area is that it's different than the perimeter. As you can see, this right here is the area of the square, because it's the inside, it's the amount of space that the inside of the shape takes up. Now, perimeter is this right here, and this is the outside. As you can see, it's dotted in blue. The outside of this rectangle would be considered the perimeter, which is along the edges of this rectangle. Perimeter and area are different. The next is a circle. Now a circle, you solve the area with circumference, which is something that we'll learn later on. Circumference is how you solve any type of area that a circle takes up. As in a square, rectangle, or triangle is solved with a different area formula.